Finding the best air fryer for van life can feel tricky when space, power, and noise all matter. The best air fryer for van life is compact, low watt, and fast, so you can cook real meals without draining your battery or heating up your rig, which I learned the hard way on long US road trips and rest stop dinners. After years of testing small appliances in tight spaces and helping friends set up van kitchens across the states, I know what actually works and what's just hyped. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EAF1121X Personal Air Fryer. The Elite Gourmet EAF1121X Personal Air Fryer is a compact 1.1 quart appliance perfect for solo meals. I was impressed with its 85% less oil cooking, which lets me enjoy crispy fries and chicken without extra calories. The adjustable time and temperature dials make it simple to fry, bake, roast, or grill with precision. Its small size fits neatly on any countertop, and the non-stick basket makes cleanup quick. The cool touch handle adds safety when removing hot food, which is great for busy mornings. I found it perfect for single servings, though larger meals require multiple batches. The 30-minute timer with automatic shutoff adds peace of mind, especially if I get distracted. Overall, this air fryer is budget-friendly, efficient, and ideal for anyone looking to enjoy healthy, oil-free meals without taking up much space. Number 4. Bella 4QT Slim Air Fryer Oatmilk. The Bella 4QT Slim Air Fryer Oatmilk is a sleek, space-saving appliance that fits easily into any kitchen. I love its ever-good ceramic coating, which makes cleanup effortless and avoids harmful chemicals like PFAS or PFOA. The XL basket capacity holds up to 3.3 pounds, perfect for family meals or batch cooking snacks. Its 6 preset cooking options make it simple to air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, or even dehydrate without guesswork. The adjustable temperature and 1300-watt power deliver crispy results fast. I found the slim design ideal for countertops with limited space, while its subtle, modern finish adds a stylish touch. One minor drawback is it can feel a bit tall in smaller cabinets. Overall, this air fryer blends efficiency, style, and performance, making everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable. Number 3. CHEFMAN 2-quart Mini Digital Air Fryer. The CHEFMAN 2-quart Mini Digital Air Fryer is perfect for quick meals in small kitchens. I love its shake reminder feature, which ensures fries and veggies come out evenly crispy every time. The digital touchscreen makes adjusting temperature and cooking times simple, even when I'm in a hurry. Its 2-quart capacity is ideal for 1 or 2 people, and the non-stick basket maximizes space without taking over the counter. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. It heats up fast and cooks food 3 times quicker than an oven. The only downside is it's small for family-sized portions, but for solo or couple meals, it's perfect. This compact air fryer makes healthy, tasty dishes easy and stress-free on busy days. Number 2. Our Place Wonder Oven 6-in-1 Air Fryer. The Our Place Wonder Oven 6-in-1 Air Fryer is a versatile countertop powerhouse that fits perfectly in smaller kitchens. I loved using its exclusive steam infusion, which keeps leftovers and bread tasting fresh without extra effort. Cooking with its 360-degree convection system gave me evenly crisp veggies and golden chicken every time. The 12-quart capacity handled meals for 2 to 4 people easily, and the 2 rack levels made multitasking simple for weeknight dinners. It preheats quickly, saving time when I'm hungry after work. I did notice it takes a bit of counter space, so it's best for a dedicated spot. Overall, this oven balances compact size with big cooking power, making it ideal for small families or anyone who wants one appliance to handle air frying, baking, roasting, and more. Cleanup is simple, and the consistent results make it a joy to use daily. Number 1. COSORI Air Fryer 2.1 Quart Mini 4-in-1. The COSORI Air Fryer 2.1 Quart Mini 4-in-1 is perfect for small spaces like dorms, RVs, or vans. This little fryer heats up quickly and cooks snacks or leftovers with crispy perfection, which saved me on busy mornings when I wanted breakfast fast. I love that it uses up to 97% less oil, making fries and wings feel healthier without losing crunch. The 2.1-quart basket is just the right size for 1 or 2 people, and the non-stick design makes cleanup really easy. I tried reheating pizza and wings, and it brought them back almost like fresh, which is a huge time saver. On the flip side, the small size means you can't cook for a big group at once. Overall, this air fryer is lightweight, portable, and surprisingly powerful for its size, perfect for anyone living on the road. Final verdict. I personally recommend the COSORI Air Fryer 2.1-quart Mini 4-in-1 as the best overall pick for most people. It's compact, easy to use, and consistently delivers crispy, delicious meals without wasting space or power. If you want a more premium all-in-one kitchen solution, the Our Place Wonder Oven 6-in-1 air fryer is a great choice, with versatile cooking options and larger capacity for families or frequent cooks. Both of these offer real value and performance, so choose based on how you cook and what you need. Check the description links for current prices and full details, and pick the air fryer that fits your style and needs best.